One block, one bathroom, 2 blocks.
This is the first bathroom as soon as you walk in. A little toilet, a little shower. Then we have the living room area. So pretty. This is the living room area. You have a little pool outside. I'll show you that in a little bit. Into the master suite. You have a little sitting area. Then of course, you have the king size bed. Gorgeous. Now this is how you stay. You got a shower right here. Then you have a little toilet in here. And of course, you have a double sink. This is beautiful, gorgeous. And of course, you have this huge tub. The bathroom is beautiful, gorgeous, definitely gorgeous. So you have that other bathroom, including this bathroom. Here again is the master suite. I will take you outside now. All the space. Then you have the outside. This is just like your private pool area if you want. They have other pools on the estate itself. But how gorgeous is this? This is definitely gorgeous. Take in that view. Imagine walking out of your bedroom. Let me go for a midnight swim. Gorgeous. And then, if you do have people that are with you, you have this other room right here. Double beds. Gorgeous. And of course they have their own shower. Closets. And back to the master bedroom. Definitely a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful suite. Might just go swimming in a little bit.